Hi ladies, so these are all the outfits that I'm going to be featuring today, and I'm going to be trying all. They're all from STHCUTE. Ladies, I have a discount code that I'm going to put on the description box, also on the screen, for you all to use if you want to shop on their website. I will encourage you to look at their website. They have a lot of sales going on now for summer sales. Check them out. A lot of ridiculous prices has been dropped. Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this trying all of dresses, or you are going to name the occasion, okay? Because these dresses are dresses that I feel they will fit into any form of occasion. Trust me, depending on the occasion you're going out for. And I have two of them that I've never tried that kind of style before. They're really, I think they're short. The way I saw it on the model before I picked them, they look short on her. Probably she's taller than me, yes, but the style, they look different. I don't think I've ever tried any of this style before. Two of these dresses, you're going to see it when I try them on. And ladies, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please, I encourage you to please give this video a thumbs up, and please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. And without further ado, I'm going to be starting this video with the two of those styles that I think I've never tried before because of the way they are made. So I'm going to start with that. So ladies, we're going to start with this first, this beautiful dress. So starting with the first one, this is a square neckline that it has this detailing of these blings on the neck. This is size small. Like I mentioned, it's a short dress. I don't know how long it's going to be on my body, but it's long sleeve and it has this zip at the back, and the inside is lined. Inside, I believe they have this run from extra small to extra large. That's what I believe, because that's how most of their sizes run. And this dress has two functioning pockets on the side, and the inside is lined. It's lined all the way down. You can see the trim. It's lined all the way down, so there's not going to be any form of see-through or whatsoever. If you don't want to wear anything under this dress, you will be fine to go. I'm talking about wearing an undergarments. I'm not talking about panties, okay? We all know we have to do that. But what I'm trying to say is that it's not see-through. It is perfectly tailored. It's beautiful, and the color is white. I believe they only have this in white color.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need.
So ladies, this is the next one. This one is called the off-shoulder front mini dress. It's a short dress as well. I believe I can style this maybe in about 2 or 3 ways. I don't know yet, but I'll see by the time I'm trying it all for you. And you see this button detailing. I believe you can open it as well. You can open it and close it. I will show you. And the most amazing thing is that it has this non-slip grip thing inside, so that it will stay on your shoulder, or it will fit perfectly on your chest. It has a zip at the side. This is also size small. And another thing, this is lined from the inside all the way from the upper parts to the bottom parts, so there is no see-through. The sizes range from extra small to extra large, and they only have it in this color white. Came with a strap. So if you want to wear it with a strap, that is if you're going to wear it as an off-shoulder, I believe. We were all going to see how that works when I try them on.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by. and I go, oh, nah, nah. And you go, oh, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long. We're running too fast on.
So this next one, they have it in red and black. The sizes range from small to large. This is a symmetric neck corset ruched maxi dress. This dress is beautiful. I don't know, it looked like it's very small. I usually wear small, but look, this look like an extra small. I've not tried it, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and see how it's gonna go on my body, if it's gonna fit. We are gonna see, you'll see the ruche style going on at the front, and the front of it, it's a velvet material that they use at the front, you can see, and it's corsets. It has a zip at the back. The maxi dress, the bottom is satin, and the upper part of where we have the corsets with the bone still going on, it's a velvet material that they use for it. It does not have anywhere where they open it at the bottom. Is the maxi dress. And another amazing thing again, what I like about their clothes is they always line inside most of their clothes, so there is nothing like see-through. I know most of us will wear an undergarment, but in a situation whereby you don't want to wear undergarment apart from body shaper, all right, you don't have to worry because it is lined from the top. It is lined inside. This is the line, the liner inside. Also they use red, of course, and it is really beautiful. I hope it looks really, it fits me perfectly without struggling, because it just looks like it's extra small, but it's size small.
Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljusen, du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar över all kontroll, jag gillar hur du rör mig nu. Flyter vi något som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra maybe, baby, det är dags att ta beslut. Yes, sweet like candy, så tacksam att du fann mig. Mitt hjärta håller space för dig. Jag behöver inget annat.
Alright ladies, this is the last outfit. This one is called strapless cinched waist pocket midi dress. They have this in two colors. They have it in white, also they have it in black. The sizes range from extra small to extra large. I love the fact that this had two pockets too, and I chose the black color because I have a lot of white outfits. I love white. White is one of my best color, so I chose black in this. This is really beautiful, and it also has this brass straps in case you want to wear it with the brass straps. This is a clear brass straps, of course, which I'm not going to be using, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to show you. Also, it has this button detailing at the back. It's beautiful. It has this non-slip grip also right here. I love that because they put this so it can stay on your shoulder. It doesn't slip away when you're sweaty, or I mean, you are not going to stay in the rain, obviously, but maybe when your body is like sweaty or oily for some reason, that non-slip grip will help your outfit to stay in place. That's the purpose why they put it. Also, you have this bra where you can, if you want to use the clear bra straps with it. As usual, this is black, ladies, but guess what? They still line it. That's quality there. They line it from, as usual, from the inside all the way down. I love to show you. I always want to show you. Look at it. This is the part that they line. This is the inside. What else does somebody want in a clothes? It's really beautiful. It's well tailored, and I can't wait to try this on.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girl.
Ladies, please do not forget I mentioned at the beginning of this video that STHCUTE, they have summer sales going on their website. When I said ridiculous price has dropped, yes, it's 70% off going on right now. And ladies, I also have a discount code that you can use that I will put on the screen, also in the description box, and I will leave the link to this amazing sales going on STHCUTE website in my description as well. Ladies, do you all agree with me that these dresses will fit into any form of occasion? It's depending. Name the occasion. What are you going for? What are you going to wear this outfit for? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.